All right, what's up YouTube? We're going to go over kind of a post-market analysis today of the plays we made today, the stocks we looked at throughout the day. I streamed the first 3 hours of the day and then the last hour, the power hour. Let's see what kind of plays we made, how our stocks did for the day. We were mostly watching some of the bigger meme stocks. We watched AMC today. AMC, just an epic fight around $50–51. They just couldn't quite hold that $50. Dropped out under that, closed in at $49.34, down 10.4%. CLOV, if you watched earlier in the stream today, it was around up 6%. People were asking me like, man, like, what should we do? We looked at all the technical indicators and we were like, sell, like get rid of this thing. Earlier this morning, unfortunately, it went down to 23.6%. So hopefully, some of those people that wanted to sell managed to pull out before their small gain became a big loss. Got out of there. RSI ended 35.7%, so heavy selling. Same with AMC, 21.3%. We got our Ortec, just barely held green for the day, up 2.2%. They did a heavy selling near the end of the day, and then kind of pulled back a bit, ending the day kind of around on balance. RSI at 49.8%, being our relative strength index. Wish, and I wish it could stay green, but not quite.
Market does not
we got some people. Down 8.9%. RSI was, starting to get heavily sold, kind of from midday on. Nice little pullback at the end of the day, so maybe tomorrow it'll open up a bit. But yeah, they took a bit of a hit. Nice volume, 304 million.
There it is.
We got our AMD. We were watching closely. They're up around 400+% for the day. Huge sell-off here around 3:20 market time. And then closed out up 388%. Good RSI at the end of the day. Pulling it up. Check out our main view here. We were trying to trade SNDL. We did a few smaller trades. We bought in at like $1.19 something, sold a little over 21 cents, made like a tiny bit of money. We bought in some some SPCE for a bit of a swing trade. It needed a pullback day. It had a pullback day today. It's been gaining like crazy. It came right down to that $35 mark and then just bounced off that support. Came back down again. Managed to hold. I got after hours going, holding around 35.20. Then our SNDL kind of bounced at $1.11. We got support around $1.10, so it just about came right down to that support line. Bounced up a little bit. After market, we jumped between $1.13, $1.14 again. We're seeing some pretty good buy order pressure versus sell orders. So hopefully that's pushing up. Just wanted to hit a quick point
this is a rally for
with some of this here. So a lot of these meme stocks seem to be pulling a little bit of money out and then putting them into other stocks. So I might do another video on what's going on with this AMC GME, why everything's going down. So maybe I'll do a video on that here. CLNE also up 31% for the day. Tilray up 6%. Our GME was up 3% right near the end of close and then kind of came down a bit. Still ended in the green. They just announced a new CEO, I believe, on their earnings call stream. So they're going to have that up soon. And then Wendy's down 12.6%. That was our play yesterday. We bought into Wendy's. Made a few $100 on that. We had an average share price of $28.15. We sold around $28.57, I believe. Made $300 or so dollars. Just a quick momentum play. Definitely not a hold. I would not hold that stock. It had no catalyst to go up, other than that it was a meme stock for tendies, chicken tendies. So it was popular. Everybody bought in. I came in on the momentum and then sold. As the momentum started one of its little declines there, so got out of there. We wouldn't hold that long term though. That's a good fundamental business, and a lot of the institutional and long-term shareholders are going to take some of those profits, because that was a pretty good update. Even though it is a decent long-term hold with good long-term prospects, sales are going up. They opened up in the UK and whatnot. Good company. It's just when a company jumps up 25% because it's the meme stock of the day, it's usually a good time to pull out some profits. So yeah, thanks for joining me, guys, and I won't be able to stream tomorrow, but hopefully you can get something going today, and we'll talk to you soon.